Flat roofs look modern, in a retro kind of way. They can also be used as patios. But a roof's first job is to protect you from the elements. Rain is the element we most often deal with in Houston. Pitched roofs have an easier time managing rain.
Water is shedding downward and it's running and doesn't sit on a pitched roof. Where a flat roof, water is moving everywhere, going up, down, left, right, and so you have to create basically a pool, something that's sealed in every direction.
This is one pool you want kept empty. Drainage and backup drainage is a must.
If leaves and debris clog this drain, what's going to happen? It's going to go to this drain. If you can see inside the fins, you can see there's a lip here. There is no water going in this drain until it gets this high, which means this has been clogged. This is one way of handling the main and the emergency overflow drain.
Another way is the rectangular opening at the bottom of this patio. It's called a scupper. Mopping on asphalt and embedding gravel was once the preferred flat roof sealing method. But Jim says there's something better.
Even though we call them seams, but when you're done, it's a monolithic roof. It's all the same. There's not two products, there's not three products. It's all been melted together.
This PVC single-ply roofing material is the most advanced technology for sealing your roof.
That shows you how much force it takes to pull it apart, and actually, the seam didn't fail.
The white PVC reflects the heat, keeps water out, and gives you options.
The same product is on both roofs, the top roof and the lower balcony. It's the same product. The difference is this is going to be the finished product because it's the roof and it doesn't have to be 100% aesthetically pleasing. Down there on the balcony, it's going to be finished with either a tile or a slate product that's going to be mortared right on the top of the waterproofing product.
When finished, this home will have plenty of modern balcony space to enjoy the outdoors in a flat roof, retro kind of way. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.